Taylor Swift, she's back in the news today, joining a club no one would want to be a member of, becoming the latest and one of the biggest stars to have their social media accounts hacked. ABC's Mara Schiavocampo has the story. Hey, Mara.
Hey, George. Well, Swift noticed that hack pretty swiftly, and Twitter and Instagram dealt with it right away, but not before the hackers were able to send several fake messages from her account.
This morning, Taylor Swift shaking off a major security breach. Hackers taking over her Twitter and Instagram accounts Tuesday, directing her more than 70 million followers to check out other social media sites. Sites believed to be tied to the alleged hackers themselves, a group called Lizard Squad, which also claim responsibility for hacking Sony PlayStations and Xbox Live in December and taking down Facebook and Instagram for an hour on Tuesday. Facebook denies the outage was a hack. The messages on Taylor's pages were quickly deleted, but not before the hackers threatened to post nude photos of the 25-year-old superstar. But Taylor says that could never, ever, ever happen, tweeting, "Have fun photoshopping, because you got nothing."
Everyone who is anyone has pretty much been hacked in the music world. Justin Bieber, Madonna, Lady Gaga, Miley Cyrus. Some of these having their actual work stolen. Other times they've been just almost more like pranks.
Taylor telling Tumblr followers, "Twitter is deleting the hacker tweets and locking my account until they can figure out how this happened and get me new passwords. Never a dull moment."
Now, the Twitter accounts the hackers encouraged Swift's fans to follow have since been deleted, and this is all the work of a really small group. The Lizard Squad, Lara, is reportedly less than 10 people.
10 people, and she told them,
She let them
hack is
know.
going to hack, hack, hack.